Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts can fool, but they're not what they seem. Be resilient, don't give up, keep your guard tight. Trading isn't for the weak, so stay in the fight. Inversions rise, Hirami fall. Stay cautious, don't let your capital stall. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes her cash in a flash, be careful with your heart.
Alright, we currently long on this challenge account, looking for this move through the trend line here. Up into the 30s if we can get it. Didn't really wait for it to break, but I think it will here. It's hit it in so many times you'd think it just goes. Let's see. Got 3 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. ES is kind of just basing right there at the 15 level. What up, Rob? Tech T. Buyers starting to come in here. Got my take profit up there at 34. I think that's reasonable. Put it up there at 36. Again, I want to see a close above on the trend line here and the push, the break. Got 10 points of risk here, so if it gets stopped out, that's okay. But obviously that's not the idea. Kind of watching this wick up here at 26. I may or may not take it off there. Taking a couple of other trades, some losses, some wins. 1 minute's trying to break out above the trend line there as well. A big bull flag, yeah. Previous day high 965, yeah. Thought that's kind of where we would go. We didn't quite get there on that push up. We did take the overnight high though. Oh, come on. No, actually we didn't. It's at 044. So the question is, do I want to really give this some more room or just take the, I think I just take the stop out. All right, stopped out. Again, I kind of got in there before it really broke. Kind of got in before it broke. There is an SMT at the highs that we should mention. Still holding below there. This thing's trying to tempt me to take a short here, but realistically, like, not really delivering from anything. I don't want to short into the whole number. Probably just look for the break back down the bottom of the range somewhere and Try to take another long. You can see we're up $1,500 on the My Funded Futures Core account. We're also up on these accounts around 30 bucks. Took one more trade. One more trade. Yeah, it's going to make a move soon for sure. Just don't know. I mean, my lean is still up, but we're in kind of a wedge here. Kind of a wedge. We pull back down to the bottom of the range again. I guess I'll try another long. Kind of what I'm thinking. I forgot to grab something to drink before I sat down. Let me go grab it right quick before we get deep into this. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Click the wrong button. You're glad you stepped away? Yeah, probably not a bad idea, huh? I mean, here's the thing, like going into, you know, like we still obviously got 45 minutes left, but we do have kind of clear liquidity sitting to the upside here. I don't necessarily have to wait for this 5 minute to close above here. The 1 minute still has not, so we could just use the 1 minute here. Max didn't like the sound of that drink. He didn't like the sound of it. Really just kind of chopping here, but again, a bearish SMT at the highs. I mean, we're not really showing a willingness to go lower yet. For those of you who did not take the previous day close trade today, it once again banged. Where's it at? Oh, right here. So that was the first test of it right there. You got a 22-point reaction off of it. It's pretty good. 4 or 5 points of drawdown there. Yeah, no action right now for sure. All right, kind of getting back down towards the bottom of the range here. Going to look to take a long down here. Somewhere in this area. And I'm going to look to take profit up here like the 38s. Just going to assume that we eventually break this trend line. So trying to buy bottom of the range here. You were bored, Mad Boxy? Hey, I'm here for thy entertainment. Thy entertainment. Maybe you should just take, you know what? Let's do that. Let's take 10 points. And then we can always re-enter on the re-break, on the actual break of the trend line. We could always re-enter there. Now that I'm thinking about it. Technically, that's 11 points, I realize. Waller speaks in 10 minutes. Does he? I thought that was after 4. I'm pretty sure that was after 4. Let me look, though. Just make sure. No, he does speak. Yeah, you're right. 10 minutes. Does that do anything, though? I don't know. Dip is good. Yeah, I agree. Don't leave again. I try not to. Third hourly inside bar. That's extreme chop. Just playing the range here. Buying bottom of the range. Assuming we get a bounce. I mean, we're not quite at the bottom of the range yet, but I think you guys get what I mean. Back above the whole number there. I'm going to start trailing it. There we go. Taking $180 there. Again, realistically, if you want to be safe, you wait for the close above the trend line, or something more along the lines of a dip. Sweep out these wicks. Maybe tap down into like 75 level. Look for a bounce out of there. Be a little safer. What up, Danielle? Because again, we kind of got, you know, you're pulling back, but you don't really have a whole lot of sellers here. So kind of looking like it might want to just, you know, maybe it's a little fake outs to the downside. Wait for a little sweep and then a push back up. It's kind of what I'm thinking. Or we could just go. We could just go. I don't know. Good news is no real inside bars on the 5-minute chart. Just holding. Just holding the level. I think that would have been full TP for me there. Had we not taken it a little sooner. All right, is this the energy that we need to go higher? I don't know. Maybe. Trend line just holding us down, holding us down. Saying you shall not pass. But eventually, it's going to pass. Eventually. Max agrees. See? Yo, bro, stop barking. Thank you. See how nice I am to Max? Gandalf, you shall not pass. Exactly. 60-point range, yeah. I mean, it really is. You look at this. But I mean, I would think if we could just get a sweep candle down, maybe get 50% of this wick, then I think from there would be a nice trap. Let's trap in the shorts down here to 75s, and then rip it back up to the 50 level there. Sorry guys, Max is barking. Who knows what? He goes on those barking rants like that. There's nothing I can do about it. Barks at nothing. Maxie, hey, chill it out. Tell him to chill it out, and he looks at me like I'm cray cray. He's like, you're slap crazy if you think I'm chilling out. Broski. F this market, yeah. Matt's the indicator to go long, yeah. I do think the upside's the play here, but I think the pullback into the 75s makes a lot of sense. We don't get it. I mean, it could push up, grab some liquidity to the upside, and then pull back to the 75s. Like, we really don't know. We really don't know. Any news tomorrow? I don't know. Hold on, let me look. I'll look in a moment. I'm about to buy this breakout if we get it tomorrow. No 8:30 news. Fed Waller speaks tomorrow at 1. Not really. A couple of Fed speakers. That's really it. Three minutes left on this candle. The 1 minute did peekaboo above here. All right, I'm going to take it here. Let's jump in. It looks like maybe got a little volume coming in. Again, going to try to take it up to the 38 if we can. Let's see what happens. Basically, same entry as earlier. We're going to see what happens at the 26. I might just take it off at the 26. I want to see a little bit of an expansion above that 21.25 level here. The candle, there we go. I want to see a little expansion right into the 26 here. Well, I'm trying to drop my take profit down there at the 26, but it's not letting me do it. So I guess maybe I'll have to manually exit. Maybe that's Trade of 8 telling me that I should not be taking profit at 26. Oh, there it goes. It finally moved. going to move that up to 31. That's a feature. Indeed, right? 20 seconds left on this candle. Looking like it is going to break structure here to the upside. So let's see if we can squeeze. I'm not looking for it to run all the liquidity, which it would, would run it up there at the 48s or 49s, whatever that is, up there near the 50. But I am looking for it to run maybe half of it for me. Let's see. There's the 26 run. So it would have been filled there. I want to say a little more push through. In trading, you either feed your ego or feed your wallet, but you can't do both. Just a joke here. If it don't move, yeah. I haven't watched Jay in a while. Let me take a peek over there. See what he's up to. Let's take a peek over here, see what Jay's doing. Tough spot here. Whether I let this go red or not. Three minutes left on this 5-minute candle. Don't know if I let this go red. I'm going to put the stop in. It's going to probably break even stop me. But I can't re-enter on a retest of the trend line here. Wasn't really willing to let it go red there. I'll wait for a retest of like 913. Two minutes left on this candle. Two minutes left on this candle. I'm thinking of longing. All right. I'll take it here. See if we get the run back into like 35. So if this pushes back down below these lows, then we could just sell off into the end of the day. We could. It might do exactly what we said, where it just sweeps up, grabs some liquidity to the upside, traps the longs, and then sells down. Nonsense. Yeah, it's not great. We're going down to the VWAP. I mean, maybe. Maybe. Very well could be. I don't love the way this looks, though, to be honest. Might just kill it here. Bring the stop up here to this bottom of this candle. Risking 12 points. I feel like I'm going to be stopped. Should have just taken the 30 to 26. I mean, that's where our target was to begin there. So I ended up taking nothing out of that, where we could have had 9 points and then ended up taking a $245 loss. So I just kind of peaked above the whole number, or above the trend line there, and it's just not great price action. When it breaks the trend line and then it doesn't run it, just not great price action. A massive move around 2 a.m. I will be counting sheep. There is an SMT here. I mean, you could short here and have your stop. I mean, problem is, I still feel like we could squeeze. Could short here and just put your stop up here. Against my better judgment, I'm going to do it. Look for the run down into the 80. The break of 90, I think I'll put stop into break even. Here we go. Break through the 90 here. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me, baby. Do that 0-day J trail close. All right, we'll take it. We'll take it. We shall take it. Again, back to the lower part here. Again, this is what I said, like two options, right? We said sweep in the 75 first, get the move above, or push above the trend line, trap some longs, which it did, and then sell down and sweep into the 75, which is what it's doing here. So either or, right? It chose to do the one that traps me. So I'm going to buy that 75 area. I'm going to buy that. And, yeah, I'm going to buy that. I'm going to kind of be aggressive here, and I think I'm going to buy two. Could get dangerous, though. Oh, come on. Really? Ran those wicks. I was thinking that we touched the 200 there. We almost did. I'm just going to take one. I changed my mind. I mean, you could buy this level now. All right, tagged in there off the 200. 50% of this wick-ish as well. So looking for a little bounce off this area. I'm going to take the 10-point scalp here. Let's look for a little base hit. New 5-minute candle here. Mad action with the 500-point down and up. Yeah. What up, Mo? Listening. Let's go. Oh, entertain you with a full port? I don't think I can do that. Sorry, Mo. I can't do that. I cannot give you a full port today. Oh, come on. Come on, you know you want it. I'm going to change my TP and stuff over here. Can it bounce? I mean, it's holding up here, but it's not really giving me the bounce I'm looking for just yet. Just looking for 10 points. Nothing crazy. Back above this wick here, I want to just see it run right into my TP. Retest the 9 EMA. It sure is making me be patient for this. I didn't really want to be. What the hell was that? What in the hell was that? Is that guy talking? Is that guy talking? God dang it. Stop me out immediately. I need to turn the thing off. Huh. I don't know what that was. ES back to the 79. You the man, Eric. Appreciate you. Yeah, it was a trap for sure, Tech. Just ripped lower here. Man, I'm giving back all my profits here. All right, get back above 88 there on the ES. Let's just wait. I have no idea, Alito. I do think we got a speaker. Someone said. All right. I'm going to be aggressive here. I'll look for that run back through the 50. We should squeeze here. I think we should get some sort of squeeze back up here. Maybe even a retest of 70 up there. Let's go for it. Why not? Let's be aggressive. Be aggressive! Run back into 40, I think, would make sense here. Let's see if we get that. We'll go stop to break even up there at the 40. Well, this thing has to hold there, right? Well, we're either going to do well here or we're going to wreck this account. Let's see. True shows. Oh, is he done? Is he speaking? Really? Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have taken the trade then. All right, looks like we might just wreck it. Probably should have just been happy with our 1500, huh? Yeah, VWAP's at 730. I guess I should have moved the stops below that. I don't know if it can make it that far anyway. Probably not. Nah, it ain't going to make it. It ain't going to make it. It's about to smoke. If it does, we just try again tomorrow. Yeah, it looks like it just wants to dump. I mean, it did sweep that wick there, so if it's going to hold, this will be the area to hold. If not, it's just going to dump. Sweeps the low one more time, then we're probably just going to blow it. Yeah, Eric. It's tough for me too. And that's it. That's it. Always something, I tell you what. Always something. At least it's just on that one account and no others. Man, are we really just going to give back everything we got earlier? Right through the VWAP like it's not even there. ES approaching the VWAP though. We terminated China. I don't know. He's just said Donald's talking. I don't know if he's... I don't know what he's saying. Clearly something. Yes, right there at the VWAP, bouncing a little bit. 67 level as well. Got another wick down there at 672. The break through the 90 level probably runs it relatively quickly. Bouncing off that 90 there. Don't buy U.S. soybean, hurting U.S. farmers. Oh. Why is my chart not changing? All right, there it is. You caught it from the top? Nice. Rip right back up there, 730s. I don't really know what to do here, to be honest. Got a wick down there at the 70. Retest the 750 here. That's Tom Sabo? Yeah, probably. All right, I might take a 30-second short here. I didn't complain about the chop. Not too much. Not too much. All right, I'm short here. On my funded accounts, looking for a little 30-second play here. I'm just gonna look for like 95, 94. And we're about to get the face ripped off here. Yeah. Stopped out there. God dang it. Oh, goodness. That's frustrating. All right, I'm back in the short again. Let's try it. Look for the run through the 70. We have the murder bot here in a minute. What? Yeah, in a minute. So this might make me red on the day here. I swear, man, I try long, I keep getting stopped, and then I go short, and I'll be damned if it doesn't rip back up. That's how trading is, huh? There's the murder bot. Tried to push down, and then it just couldn't. Yes, holding below 79 here. Gonna add one more here. I'll cover it at the 04 for 10 points. Oh, come on, that's just dirty. That is so dirty. Oh my goodness, guys. I hate getting into trades like this towards the end of the day. You're working against time. Not liking it. I got to get out of this, guys. I'm just going to kill it. Just going to kill it. Might have killed it a little soon, but, you know, as far as overall goes, I think it's all right. Oh, there's the 55 algo. Fucking A, guys. I just fucked up. Ah, dang it. I need this thing to rip to the 53s here. I'm accidentally added the wrong amount of size here. I need 55 and a quarter here. Come on, rip it up. Give me 55 and a quarter. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Yeah, mine too. Let's see. Alright, let's see if this thing can rip through here. I should probably just take it off. I'm in a long here. I meant to be in 5 micros. I'm in 20. I need to push through 50 at least to get some of these off. Otherwise, it's going to be a pretty big loss. Come on, get through 50. Come on, squeeze it. There we go. Getting out of some there. Stops at break even on the rest. See if they can squeeze. Looking for 65 on the rest. All right. I'm still in. What the hell am I in? Come on, man. How's this shit keep happening? Stop leaving me in frickin' positions. I gotta stop having days like this, guys. I really do. I should have just took what I had there. Messed up your day. Yeah, mine too, Eric. I'm down $300 now. Yeah. Should have just held, I guess. All right. Headed into the final minute here in 4 seconds. Let's see what we do. Pulling back, starting to go. What are we doing? ES at the 88. We'll pull back there. About 40 seconds left here. Let's see. We get above that 21, we can go. Pulling back. It's going to hold it right there. It's going to squeeze. All right, took a little scalp right there at the end. Down 140. one account still down 230 somehow. Ask me how. I don't know. All right. Tapping into that that little imbalance there now. ES just squeezing. Yeah, I hate it when I do that. I short. So, all right, Tech T, congratulations, man. Have fun. I hate it when I short like that, and then it just rips. Like that's just annoying. Definitely annoying. All right, Rod, appreciate you. Still looking over here. I might take one more stab, even though I really shouldn't. 140, 150. I mean, I can get that back in a couple of days, but oh shit. See if this thing can pop here back into the 75. Come on, rip it up. 75, give it to me. Come on. Come on, go. Dude, pushed up to 72 there. Couldn't get me. Come on, go. Stops in. Go. And now it wants to go after I got out. Yeah, for sure. Simon, I'm on my funded accounts. It's a bunch of 50K accounts, so we're down random numbers, you know, anywhere between 100 to 16. Like that one account's down 225 for some reason, and then 63.47. I don't know. We're all red on them. Not a ton of money. $100, 150 maybe at the most on average. It's just stupid. I was up like $40. I mean, again, that's not very much. So, not very much. So, yeah, Simon, it's just one of those things. I don't know. I was up decent. I mean, it was a decent green day. Obviously made 1,500 here. We were up like $40 on these. And then I don't know. I entered a short. I didn't love it. I was looking for 701 or 704 on this push it back down, and it got to 706. Probably should have got out of that trade break even there, I guess. I mean, I would think a push back up into the 830s kind of makes sense, but I guess maybe it's not going to do it. right now. It's going to push down to 670. Kind of in a tough spot. Kind of in a tough spot, to be honest. So we will have to reset our account from the cup thing after being up $1,600. I think this is going to be my final reset. If this one, if I can't pass it on this one, then I don't think I'm going to try anymore. Just trading it stupid, first of all. Being too aggressive. All right, I think that's going to do it for me, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like button for me. Subscribe. We're talking about the trade day. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button on the way out. We'll be back tomorrow. Got something going on this evening, so I won't be able to stream. But we'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 a.m. to catch you guys then. Appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you next time.
Nasdaq's a tricky trader, beware the fall. Technical tools may help, but watch your wall. Hirami candles flicker, inversions come and go. Protect your cash, don't let it all blow. Nasdaq's a nasty girl, don't go full port. She takes your cash in a flash, be careful with your heart. The opening range trade still bangs, but stay alert. Methodical man prefers inversions, get your cash and protect yours. Market warning, listen close and heed. Daily payouts